Hi, we are parents of Ishan from UKGB, myself Dr. Reshmi.
I am Srinidh. I would like to appreciate the management for the efforts they have taken to conduct the online classes. The efficiency and the experiences of the teachers helped the students a lot to overcome the tight situation. Also, all the portions were covered on time and the students were able to grasp the subjects. And the way they have conducted the class, the students didn't miss their classrooms. Also, the extracurricular activities conducted by the management was very well appreciated. And once again, I thank the management for conducting his online classes in this pandemic situation in a very well organized manner. Thank you.
So, all these online classes were actually very new for all of us, not just for the kids, even for the parents, for the teachers. But every session was made more meaningful and more fruitful. The teachers used to take suggestions and feedbacks from parents, and they made sure that every session was improved day by day. So special thanks to all the sincere and dedicated teachers, and especially for the younger students, that is of the KG section. We know they have a very short span of attention, but still the teachers managed to keep them attentive during the sessions, and this academic session was made really fruitful for them. Now, not just the classes, even small things like making students interact with their friends and doing the craft work, craft and arts activities, and also celebrating birthdays of the kids. So all these small things help them a lot in not missing their friends. So on the whole, I thank all the teachers, the management, the headmistress, the principal, everybody for their beautiful work during this pandemic situation. Thanks a whole lot.
Hi all, myself Nandakumar TP and this is Jessica Nandakumar. We are the parents of Rishikesh Pisharadi who is studying in UKGB. As far as a student is concerned, the KG section is the foundation stone of academic life. If the foundation is not built strong, it will be very difficult to build on it.
So we were a bit worried about the effectiveness of the online classes during this pandemic time. Being teachers, we are well aware about the hardships of a teacher. In that regard, the teachers of KG session of SCPS were simply super. They have done a great work and we are really satisfied and very happy with the academic year. And we wish to say that the teachers of KG session of SGPS is really an asset to them.
So we express our sincere thanks to the principal, teaching and all the non-teaching faculties of Sri Gokulam Public School. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I am Nikhila, mother of Advik Aravind, who is studying in UKG A. I would like to appreciate the effort taken by all the teachers and staff of Gokulam family during this pandemic, and especially thanks to Ms. Chaitanya ma'am, who is my son class teacher. As you all know, teaching this small kid is not an easy task, but the teachers have given all their efforts to make them study through their study materials and online presentation. And about the online class, my kid, he enjoyed the online class. He was able to interact with his teachers and his friends, and it was a 2-hour session with intervening breaks, and we the parents were able to get the timetable well in advance, so it was easy for us also. And now Advik will say about the online class.
I love my online class and I love my teachers, Regina ma'am, Chenna ma'am, Riya ma'am. I love my Gokulam school. Thank you.
Thank you.